All right, we got a space launch today. I don't know if we're going to be able to see it, but it's supposed to go northeast up towards Jax Beach today, so we got about 2 minutes before it starts. So let me flip this around and see if we can see anything. I haven't had any luck with this lately, so it's been too cloudy, and it's kind of cloudy today. Let me flip this around so we can take a look. We'll be here for the next couple minutes to see if it goes off. Normally comes up that way, and then comes up over the ocean here for us. There's the beach. Yeah, tide's kind of high today, I see.